So this is when you first walk in. They ordered our windows, yay, and there they are. Here's the staircase. Ooh. This is our dining room, but it's going to be used as an office, and yes, it has a bay window. There's my little Garrett carrot. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Say hi, Aunt Katie.
Hi.
And you walk in through here.
Where's this go down there?
And that's where the kitchen is.
This is our kitchen.
And this is a half bath.
But this is our kitchen.
Yep, and here's our future family room for now until the one downstairs is built. And there's a fireplace.
What's this?
And then beautiful views out into the
Mama,
clubhouse and the dumpster.
Mama, let's go downstairs.
This is all our backyard to where those sticks are out there, separating the dirt from the grass. There's the boys out there looking for frogs and crickets.
Can I look for frogs?
You want to look for what?
Frogs.
You want to look for frogs?
Yeah, I think
In just a minute, bud.
Okay.
And then when you go over here
Come on.
through the kitchen,
What's that?
just a second, buddy.
What's that?
There's a little pantry right there.
What's this
There's a
one?
pantry right over there.
What's
And this
this?
goes out onto the
What's
deck
this?
and downstairs to the patio.
What's this?
I don't know.
What's that?
This comes right over here this is from the kitchen. This is our laundry room.
Look at this.
In there, and then right out here is the garage.
Mom, look at this.
Pretty big garage. Well, I guess it's normal size.
Oh, what? What? Where does go? Downstairs. Down there. Mama.
There's the patio downstairs.
And
There's the boys still looking for frogs.